Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to go live on Bigo Live application step by step. Whether you are new to the platform or just want to start your first stream, this guide will help you set up everything properly and begin your live broadcast with confidence. First of all, launch open Bigo Live application on your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the main homepage logged into your Bigo Live account, go ahead and tap on the Go Live button at the bottom center, which looks like a camera icon. You will then be able to see this camera screen. Bigo Live offers several options depending on your style. Go to the bottom of the screen and you'll see Virtual Live, Multi-Guest Live, Live, Audio Live, and Game Live option. Select your live type, and once you are done, go to the top and tap on Add a title to chat box. You can enter a catchy title for your live stream, and after typing it down, you can also include hashtags to make your stream easier to find. After typing down hashtags or category from the bottom, before going live, make sure to check your camera angle and lighting. You can also tap on the beauty filters at the bottom of the screen and select beauty filters, makeups, and other general filters as well. After choosing one, you can also go ahead and make your stream look professional by using virtual backgrounds. If you don't know how to use virtual backgrounds, then you can check out other videos on our YouTube channel where we have showed you how you can change your background on live stream. You can also add stickers or filters using the icons provided at the bottom. And finally, after you are ready to go live, tap on Go Live. After your live stream has been finished, you can end the live stream and Bigo Live will show you your live summary, including the number of viewers, likes, and gifts received. So that is how you can easily go live on Bigo Live. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.